What's up, everybody? This is your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So the Galaxy Note 9 has been unveiled and we've been seeing videos about it. A lot of people have been making reaction videos about it. A lot of people have been making opinionated videos about their love and hate for the Galaxy Note 9. And on this YouTube channel, I've made plenty of videos about the Galaxy Note devices being in the class of its own, right? So today, I'm going to talk about, is the Galaxy Note 9 worth it? A lot of people have been saying, oh, it's $1,000, it's $1,000. The phone isn't worth it. The 512 gig device is not worth $1,250 to $1,300, right? The biggest question that I get is the Galaxy Note 9 worth it? And the answer to that question is yes. There's some key factors about the Galaxy Note 9 that you guys need to understand. There's some key factors about the Galaxy Note devices that we all need to understand. We need to look at this at the bigger picture, right? So before you guys gonna hit me with the thumbs down and slam me in the comments about I'm getting sponsored, this video is sponsored by Samsung, Samsung is paying me to say this. Listen, this video is not sponsored by Samsung. I am not getting paid by Samsung. Even though I got a Galaxy Note 9 shirt on, this is not a sponsored video, but I will talk about my thoughts about the Galaxy Note devices, the Galaxy Note 9. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So a lot of people saying the Galaxy Note is not worth it. It's not worth $1,000. Right? They say that the Galaxy Note 9 is not worth $1,000. Just look at the bigger picture here. What is a Galaxy Note? It's a productivity powerhouse that get work done. It has a stylus, which we call the S Pen, and it's a very important tool for business owners, right? And I'm going to give you my thoughts as a business owner in a business perspective. So we already know what the specs is on the Galaxy Note 9, right? We got the Snapdragon 845, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. You can get 512 gigs also with 8 gigs of RAM, right? We got everything, all the bells and whistles in this device, right? For $999 for the base price of the Galaxy Note 9. So a lot of people is freaking out saying this device is the highest device on the planet. Why Samsung is charging so much for this device? Well, again, let's look at the bigger picture. Let's look at some unique features of the Galaxy Note 9. So what does the Galaxy Note 9 have that other devices don't have, right? Listen, let's talk about it. DeX. Listen, on this YouTube channel, I've made videos about DeX and the Galaxy Note devices. I've said this before, I've used DeX on business trips. Also, I've replaced the PC in my business and I use DeX. Listen, DeX is just not something that you could just plug into a monitor. DeX give you a PC-like experience. Again, I've made a lot of videos about DeX. I could do things on DeX basically that you can't do on no other devices. Now we do have the Huawei devices that does have similar functionality as DeX, but Samsung have perfected DeX. Think about this. I go to my business, I put in my Galaxy Note device. I could do PowerPoint, Excel spreadsheets, and I could do Word, and I could surf the web. I could do all kinds of things. Not only that, but I could connect to a VPN server and I could run full-fledged Windows 10, running EXE programs on the fly on this device, which is a wonderful thing, by the way, right? So not only do I got a PC-like experience on the go, and all you got to do is get a $20 keyboard and mouse and you are good to go. On this YouTube channel, I have played Steam games on my Galaxy Note device. So that means that I could play games, I could get work done, I could connect to my server and run Windows 10 EXE programs all on my Galaxy Note device. So here comes the question, is the Galaxy Note 9 worth it? Let me give you another scenario, the S Pen. Listen, if you don't use the S Pen, it's no reason to get a Galaxy Note device. The S Pen is the function that's the most powerful part of the Galaxy Note. Think about this, right? So how many times on this YouTube channel have I made videos about utilizing the S Pen and the S Pen functionality to get work done? But again, it goes back to what I said before. I can do things on the Galaxy Note device that I cannot do on any other device. And I proved that time and time again on this YouTube channel. Listen, before I continue to talk about some more key points about the Galaxy Note, right? I don't knock any other publications or any other YouTubers that talk about their experience about Galaxy Notes and not to buy the Galaxy Note. That's fully understandable. I'm giving you scenarios on what I use the Galaxy Note devices about and what the Galaxy Note have done for me to save me money in the long run, right? So let me give you the last key factor why I think the Galaxy Note 9 is worth it. Listen, you're getting the highest specs possible at this point. You get 512 gigs of internal storage, SD card support. You're getting the Snapdragon 845 processor. You're getting all the bells and whistles. You're getting a headphone jack on this phone, right? You get dual cameras. You get intelligent scan. You get fingerprint scan in the right spot. You get one of the most beautiful screens, period, on any device, right? So let me give you my conclusion. I'm not knocking nobody that don't want to buy the Galaxy Note 9. I'm not knocking people that have strong opinions about you should not buy the Galaxy Note 9. I don't have no problem with people's opinion. Listen, if I didn't know all the capability of the Galaxy Note 9, I would sit up here and say, I don't buy it neither. But the Galaxy Note 9 is a special device. It brings stuff to the table that no other device can do. Also, you're getting the leading specs. So that is a key factor of getting the Galaxy Note 9. Not only that, you're getting a beautiful design. I mean, beautiful, classy, business-like design with the Galaxy Note 9. And then the S Pen. Listen, the S Pen does things that I cannot do on no other device. That is a special, exclusive part of the Galaxy Note device. If you don't use a Galaxy Note Pen, then I can understand why people don't buy Galaxy Notes. I understand why people say things like don't buy the Galaxy Note. I utilize the S Pen in every perspective possible. I've made videos about that on this YouTube channel, so check them out. So at the end of the day, is the Galaxy Note 9 worth $1,000? Listen, I spent $1,000 on the iPhone 10. And this phone does not have, not even close to the features and the functionality of the Galaxy Note series of devices. But this phone was over $1,000. So if the Galaxy Note 9 is not worth $1,000, the iPhone 10 not even close to $1,000, but it is $1,000. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy Note devices. See you guys on the next video. Peace.